Hello everyone, my name is Subodh Gavhane. I have completed my uh, engineering from Qspiders Institute of Technologies in electrical engineering in 2021, and recently I have completed my software testing course from Qspiders. And in this institute I have learned manual testing, automation testing, core Java, and many more subjects. So basically my overall experience was really good about this organization. Here all the mentors and staff was really supporting, and after completing the particular course, they provide placements, and to before attending that requirement, they also conduct grooming sessions, and those really helpful for me as